Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Curious Mind Vlogs. Today's vlog, I'm going to recreate this amazing artwork done by Elia Pellegrini. He's an amazing artist and I'm going to post his Instagram profile on the description box below. Please check out all his amazing artworks. So yes, today I'm going to try to recreate this particular look, and yes, let's get started. I am starting now, and a quick information that my laptop is right here, but a little bit to this side, so I will have to turn to this side in between the videos to get a closer look on the art, so please remind me. So I think it's done, and even if I have to make some changes I can, because this is just the outline. Let's move on to next step now. So now I'm moving on to redrawing this thing using the actual color, and this is my palette, guys, which is, and as you can see, this white color and black color are the ones that I've used the most, and it's very not so good. But I would really suggest everyone who is in the interface art and makeups and stuff like that to use this particular, and of course I will give you the product description below. So yes, let's redraw this. I am using this very thinnest possible brush to draw this line. Please don't worry about the excess parts here, because I will have to give the final touch up later, and I'm going to clear all these things. Now I will quickly remove this excess part. It does not matter if you have few black spots left in the edge, because if you closely look in the art, there is sort of black border. It might actually help later, but we'll know shortly. So the next step for me would be to move on to the nose area. I love my friend's themed coffee mug. Taking this bigger brush now, I'm going to fill this area, making a new look after a long time, because my brother is here and I've been super busy with launching the channel and cooking for him and editing the cooking vlog and everything and showing him around, which I'll of course post in other vlogs. I will show you all the places that I've taken him so far. And today I had a little free time in between all that busy schedule of mine, so I thought let's try to create this. This side looks a little bit bigger than this side, maybe. What do you think? Maybe I should just add some more here. So I'm taking this another palette, and with this color I'm blending this particular dark blue color. I'm going to give you the description of both of these palettes in the description box below. Taking a little bit bigger brush this time. It's me to cover the corners sharply. I'm going to stop right here because I'll have to create bubbles from here on. So while I wait for this area to dry, because I will of course have to add more colors, and if I keep on adding on the wet part, then I will be erasing the colors that's already here. So I will give it some time to dry, and meanwhile I'll be going with black color again, the same color that I used on this part. Blend, 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 and blend. Moving on to the blue color again. So now next step will be to outline this white part with the same blue color. So now I'm just trying to create little droplets of water, and this part still needs to be done. I am just waiting for it to dry first. So while I wait for this area to dry, I will be moving on to this part, where if you see closely in the picture, this white kind of circle here, but not actually a proper circle, but so as you can see, this part has completely dried out, so now it's easier for me to add more layers. It needs to be darkened. I feel like I need to give more black-like blend in my chin area as well. So before moving on to this part, first I'm going to follow this step now. I'm going to use my fingertip to blend this. Trust me guys, no, nothing works better than fingertip when it comes to blending. It should look like the black part is merging with the blue part from this end. At least that's what I feel like when I look into the picture. And now some white color. Some more white colors too, so that it highlights. I feel like more touch-up needs to be given on the eyelid part, so I'm adding some more blue color. I think I'm done now, after I quickly rub this excess part here. So this is my final look guys, and I hope I did at least a little bit of justice to his art. And well, this was my first time shooting the entire face art that I create, and I'm very new to this, so please support me and please tell me how do I look and what should I do next, what kind of look I should try to create, and we will try to create together. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and we will create lots of other looks in coming future. Bye!